It's not embarrassing enough. Thank you.
Right, where are we off to?
I'm just going to go to Sheekey's and embarrass myself. Probably the last time I actually go to Sheekey's. They have no idea I'll be wearing this suit, so...
And what's the day today?
Today's Globals Make Some Noise. And I foolishly mentioned I was actually going to lunch. And so now there's been a large donation made by a lot of people that if I actually wear this to the lunch, then Globals Make Some Noise get the money. I didn't think that one through when I wore this morning. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Bye.
There you go, that's celebrity for you.
What are you going to get for lunch, Mike?
You know what? Surprisingly, I hadn't actually thought that far through. I suspect my appetite won't be that great when I actually get in there.
No, I actually haven't had lunch yet.
Bye. I think they're only doing this to prove I actually went in. This is it, guys. The point of no return.
I love the jacket.
It's not just a jacket.
You've been followed.
I'm actually being fine. We make it for charity. I'm told to wear it. Big donation. So
It's very brave.
thank you very much indeed. Very, very good. How are you? Good to see you. How are you? Welcome. Thank you very much.